Ever find yourself pondering the age-old question, how do people become millionaires? Well, get ready to unravel the mystery because today, we're delving deep into the three distinct paths that lead to millionaire status in 2023. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join our community of wealth seekers. Got burning questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're all in this journey to financial freedom together. So let's dive right in and uncover the secrets of success. Alright, let's set the scene. 2017 rolls around and suddenly 700,000 folks in the US cracked the millionaire code. But hold on to your hats because that's just the beginning. Would you believe there are over 22 million millionaires chilling right here in the US? Talk about a staggering statistic. And guess what? The millionaire madness isn't just a stateside phenomenon. Nope, it's a global extravaganza. Everywhere you look, it seems like someone's striking it rich. But here's the burning question. How do they pull it off? Well, my friend, grab a seat and get comfy because today, we're unpacking the three key pathways to millionaire status. Strap in, because it's about to get real. From the slow and steady grind of the slow lane to the risk-taking thrills of the sidewalk and the lightning fast pace of the fast lane, there's a wealth-building strategy for every appetite. So whether you're dreaming of yacht parties and caviar, or simply craving a cozy retirement nest egg, we've got you covered. It's time to crack the millionaire code and pave your own path to financial freedom. Let's dive in. 1. Slow lane. First up, we've got the slow lane, the OG of wealth-building strategies. This is the path your parents probably drilled into your head. Go to school, get good grades, land a stable job, and squirrel away your savings like a champ. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is, but here's the catch. You'll be trading your prime years for a shot at financial freedom in your golden ones. It's like putting life on pause while you grind away at your 9 to 5, hoping that one day, those retirement funds will magically transform into a yacht and a mansion. So get ready to play the long game, because in the slow lane, patience is definitely a virtue. We're talking coupon clipping, budgeting like a pro, and obsessively monitoring your 401k like it's your new religion. Every penny counts on this journey, my friend, because you're banking on compound interest and the power of time to turn those humble savings into a fortune. But let's not sugarcoat it. This ain't no overnight success story. You're in it for the long haul, grinding away year after year, all for the promise of financial security in your twilight years. It's like running a marathon, except instead of a finish line, you're aiming for a comfy retirement where you can finally kick back and enjoy the fruits of your labor. So, is the slow lane for you? Well, that depends on how patient you are and how much you're willing to sacrifice now for a shot at wealth later. It's like planting a seed and waiting for it to grow into a mighty oak tree. You'll need plenty of time, patience, and a sprinkle of luck to make it happen. But hey, if you're okay with taking the scenic route to millionaire status, then buckle up and enjoy the ride. Just don't forget to pack your lunch, cause it's gonna be a long journey to the top. 2. Sidewalk. Now, let's take a stroll down the sidewalk, where living for the moment is the name of the game. These are the risk takers, the thrill seekers, the ones who believe in seizing the day and worry about tomorrow when it arrives. It's like playing a game of financial roulette, where every spin of the wheel could either lead to riches beyond your wildest dreams or a one-way ticket to Brokesville. So buckle up and hold on to your wallet tight, because on the sidewalk, anything goes. Picture this, you're living large, rolling in dough, and Instagramming your way through life like there's no tomorrow. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for some sidewalkers, it's all too real. They're the ones who hit the jackpot overnight, only to blow through their fortune faster than you can say broke. From flashy sports cars to luxury vacations, They're living the high life until reality comes crashing down like a ton of bricks. It's a cautionary tale as old as time, but one that's all too common in the world of instant gratification. But hey, who can blame them? When you're surrounded by a world of instant wealth and 15 minutes of fame, it's hard not to get swept up in the allure of the sidewalk. After all, why wait for tomorrow when you can have it all today? But as the saying goes, easy come, easy go. And for many sidewalkers, the fall from grace is just as swift as the rise to the top. So if you're thinking of taking a walk on the wild side, just remember to tread carefully. Because on the sidewalk, the line between fortune and failure is thinner than a tightrope. 3. Fastlane. Now, let's rev up the engine and zoom into the fast lane, the ultimate thrill ride to millionaire status. This is where the movers, shakers, and game changers reside. Think Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, and all those visionary minds who refuse to settle for the status quo. They're not waiting around for retirement to sip margaritas on a beach. They're building empires and living their best lives right this very moment. It's like hitting the fast forward button on your financial journey, skipping the decades of penny pinching and jumping straight to the good stuff. In the fast lane, it's all about hustling, innovating, and disrupting the norm. These are the trailblazers who see opportunity where others see obstacles. And they're not afraid to take risks to get ahead, whether it's launching a tech startup, creating a viral app, or revolutionizing an entire industry. Fast laners are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And the best part? There's no glass ceiling in sight. With a fast lane, the only limits are the ones you set for yourself. But make no mistake, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme or shortcut to success. Fastlaners work harder, smarter, and faster than the rest, putting in the blood, sweat, and tears to turn their dreams into reality. It's a relentless pursuit of greatness, fueled by passion, determination, and a relentless drive to leave a legacy. So, if you're ready to kick things into high gear and join the ranks of the elite, buckle up and get ready for the ride of a lifetime, because in the fast lane, the only way is up. So, which path will you choose? The slow and steady slow lane, the risky sidewalk, or the fast and furious fast lane? It's a decision that could shape your entire financial future. As we wrap up another episode of Wealthway, we're grateful for your company. We hope the financial wisdom shared here today aids you on your wealth building quest. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and join our community by subscribing. For any questions or insights you'd like to share, the comments section is all yours. Until our next meeting, keep chasing your financial dreams because on Wealthway, we believe your wealth is just around the corner.